Ah, maraming kotse yata na to.
No, look, how are you enjoying so far? Sorry. If your cars are parked over there at Casa Tequila, chances are your cars are being towed right now.
Ala.
Okay? You get a parking ticket. We have cars being towed there and over there. Please check your car.
Ang susunod pong